Hi, this is Link, Total Parts Pro. Today with 2011 Toyota Hilux, stock number 7270. It's run from the 8th 2011 to the 8th 2015. Here's a 1KD, 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1KD, 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory made tyre, left hand door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory made tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory made tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory made ball tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.